Okay, I'll have to be really quiet because I got the window open. So he's back. Pork Chop wants to eat more and more. Look at him, he's wasting so much food. What a pork chop! You should have seen him eating this morning. But now you can see his beautiful color. Every once in a while you can hear him peep if I shut up, right? I still haven't seen his wife, though. He's got a bug flying around him. He ought to get that. It's that spirit of sloth. I can just see him getting fatter and fatter. Sorry, I'm wiggling the camera here. I'm trying to set it down. There we go. Steady. Steady hand, Wendy. Hey James, how are you? I'm just recording my Cardinal. I'm surprised he hasn't flown away because he can hear me talking. He is a pork chop. He has been just chowing down at this bird feeder. I don't know where his wife is, though. I'm sorry this is through a screen. Those screens are permanent. They don't come out. He's too busy eating to make a peep. I'm waiting for his wife to come. She's probably too busy making a nest. Or maybe she's sitting on some chicks. That little peep peep, that's him making that noise. Wow, he is chowing down. He really chowed down this morning too. Oh, that's not her. It's a different bird. I'm surprised he didn't fly away. I guess they like that dollar store bird seed. Hey John, how are you? I'm just bird watching here. Thanks for the hearts. They're the same color as the bird. I'm waiting for the female. My phone is vibrating. Is that a Passover bird? I think the seeds are coming out as fast as they're going in him. Good thing he's not near my car. Now he's got it swinging there. That's one of those squirrel-proof bird feeders. So the squirrel leaves them alone. Although, believe me, the squirrel has tried. Boy, he is chowing down. I'm waiting for the other bird to come. I guess she's camera shy. I haven't been able to catch her. Every time I get my camera out, she flies away. Yeah, I do Facebook. I think I accepted a friend request from you. You're trying to claim it? Okay, John, I will. I'm the same as, I'm Israel Wendy on Facebook, too. Oh, here comes another bird. It's on the top of the bird feeder where you can't see it. I'll wait till it comes down. It's probably just waiting its turn. I think he's about ready to fly off. I trained a blue jay to eat off out of my hand, but it must have thought my dog was safe and got too close to the dog because the dog got it. Yeah, this bird doesn't seem to be afraid of me. Because the bird feeder's right next to my window and I'm only sitting a few feet from the window. And I'm talking. I'm sure he hears me. Maybe not. He's dropping a lot of stuff, so other birds are flying down and eating underneath him. Yeah, my email, it's attached to my profile on Periscope. Well, I guess his better half is not going to come. Yeah, I got a blog on my website. I don't know, not many people check it out, but it's attached to my email too, so okay, John. We'll Yeah, thank you, John. Yeah, I'm not going to be on too much longer because he keeps, yep, there he goes. I knew he was going to go because he was like sitting on the edge. So God bless you. Have a nice day. And someday I'm going to catch that female. She's shy. Yes. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be working on that sunset painting. Yeah, look at this nice. Isn't that cool? Of course I can't stop the broadcast.